Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are starting the practice set 3.1 of our chapter called Arithmetic Progression. So in previous video we have understood about how to identify the given sequence are in arithmetic progression or not. So we have found that there is a common difference between any two consecutive terms. That common difference is same in any consecutive term if you will find. Okay. Now we have already understood how to find the common difference. Okay. So today we are going to understand if we have the first term and common difference, then we have to find the arithmetic progression. Okay. So the first question we have already solved in our previous video. Now we are going to solve the second question. The second question says write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A. What is A? It is the first term and the common difference is D. D is the common difference between any two consecutive terms in each of the following cases. In second question we have 6 sub questions. Out of them we are going to solve the 4 question and rest 2 question will be homework file. Okay. So we are going to solve the first question. The first question says the first term is 10 and common difference is 5. So here we have the first term of AP. AP's first term is 10. It is given. It is given. Now we have to find the second term. So now we have to find T2 equals to T1 plus D. It is T1 plus D. So what is T1? T1 is the first term. So or we can say instead of T1 we can write A also. A plus D is the second term. So T2 equals to T1 is nothing but A. A is the first term. So first term is 10. So here we can write T1 equals to 10. So 10 plus common difference is D, that is 5. So T2 equals to 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 is our second term. Now we have to find the third term, that is T3. So T3 is T2 plus D. So T3 equals to what is T2? It is 15. So it is 15 plus what is D? D is 5. So it is 5. So 15 plus 5 is 10. So T3 equals to it is 20. It is 20. So third term is 20. Now we will find one more term. Okay. So now we are going to solve the fourth term. For the fourth term it is T3 plus D. It is T3 plus D. So T4 equals what? T3 it is 20. So 20 plus what is D? D is 5. So it is 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25. So T4 equals to 25. So it is 25. So 10, 15, 20 and 25 is the required arithmetic progression for this condition. Okay. Now we are going to solve the second one. It is a fourth question. Here A equals to 6. A is nothing but T1 and it is equals to 6 and common difference is minus 3. So what is first term? T1 equals to given. So now we have to identify T2. So T2 equals to it is T1 plus D. T1 is nothing but A and which is our first term. So T2 equals to what is T1? T1 is 6 plus common difference is minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So T2 equals to 3. So it is the first term is 6. The AP equals to first term is 6. Then we have 3. Now next one. Now we have to identify T3. So T3 equals to it is T2 plus D. So T3 equals to what? T2. T2 is 3. So 3 plus we have D is minus 3. So minus 3. So minus into plus is minus. So T3 equals to 3 minus 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So T3 equals to 0. So next term will be 0. Now we have to identify T4. T4 equals to T3 plus D. So T4 equals to, what is T3? T3 is 0 plus D is minus 3. So T4 equals to 0 minus 3. So T4 equals to minus 3. So here again T4 equals to minus 3. So this is our required arithmetic progression for this condition. Okay. Now next one. Now it is the third question. It is given in fraction form. Okay. So again A is nothing but our T1 term 1, which is minus 7, and D is equals to 1 by 2. So what is T2? T1 we already have, it is 7. So here the required arithmetic progression is, it starts from minus 7. So T2 equals to T1 plus D. So T2 equals, what is T1? T1 is minus 7 plus D. D is what? 1 by 2. So T2 equals to, if we will solve minus 7 and 1 by 2, then we will get, it is 6.5. 6.5. 1 by 2, it is negative. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. If you will subtract 0.5 from 7, you will get 6.5. But the larger number is have negative sign. That's why we have taken a negative sign. Okay. So the next term is minus 6.5. Now next term, T3 equals to T2 plus D. So T3 equals, what is T2? It is negative 6.5 plus, what is D? D is 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, and if you will subtract 0.5 from 6.5, you will get 6. So T3 equals to negative 6. So next number is minus 6. Now one more term we have to identify, that is T4. What is T4? T4 is T3 plus D. So T4 equals to, what is T3? T3 is minus 6 plus D is 1 by 2. So T4 equals to, again 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5. If you will subtract 0.5 from 6, we will get 5.5. So larger number have negative sign, that's why we have taken negative sign over there. Okay. So it is negative 5.5. So this is nothing but the required arithmetic progression for A equals to minus 7 and D equals to 1 by 2. Now last but not the least, the sixth question. So here again we have T1 equals to A, which is negative 19, and D equals to negative 4. Now T2 equals to, it is T1 plus D. So what is T1? T1 is minus 19 plus D is minus 4. So plus minus is minus, so minus 19 minus 4. So it will be minus 23. So T2 equals to minus 23. So what is T1? The arithmetic progression for this condition, T1 is minus 19. Minus 19. T2 is minus 23. Now we will identify the T3. T3 equals to D. It is T2 plus D. T3 equals to, what is T2? T2 is minus 23. Minus 23 plus D is minus 4. So T3 equals to minus 23 minus 4. So T3 equals to 3 plus 7, it is minus 27. Okay. So next number will be minus 27. Now we have to identify one more term. It is T4. So T4 equals to T3 plus D. So T4 equals to, what is T3? It is negative 27 plus, what is D? D is minus 4. So T4 equals to minus 27 plus minus minus 4. So T4 equals to, it is negative 31. So next term is negative 31. So this is the required arithmetic progression for the condition A equals to, that is first term is minus 19 and common difference is minus 4. Okay. So student, this is the way you have to solve the problems. Now we had two question, they are homework for you. Okay. So you have to solve remaining two questions, and if you are not able to solve this problem, then we will make one more video for that also. Okay. So students, you have to write down this first. It is the question number first. It is third, fourth and sixth. Okay. So write down. So now we are going to solve the third, and which is the last question of this practice set. Okay. So the question says, write the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. AP means this is arithmetic progression which have the common difference between any two consecutive terms. You can take these two consecutive or these two consecutive or these two consecutive. You will find the common difference which is the same. Okay. So for first question we are going to solve. See, the sequence is 5, 1, minus 3 and 7. That means the first term is called as A. So T1 we know first term is equals to A, and A is here 5. Therefore A equals to 5. Here it is equals to 5. That's why A equals to 5 is the first term. Now common difference. The formula for common difference is D equals to T2 minus T1. So D equals to, what is T2? T2 we have to this one is T2. So T2 is 1 minus T1 is 5. So 1 minus 5 is D equals to minus 4. Okay. Therefore the first term is A equals to 5 and common difference is minus 4, and it is our answer. Okay. So really it is very easy one. Now next, here T1 equals to A as we know, and which is 0.6. So our first answer is here, A equals to 0.6. Now common difference, D equals to D is T2 minus T1. What is T2? It is 0.9. So 0.9 minus T1 is 0.6. If we will solve this, we will get 0.3. So 0.3 is nothing but the common difference. This one is and this one also. Now we write the result. Therefore, so what will be result? First term, that is A equals to 0.6 and common difference D equals to 0.3. Okay. So this is the answer. Now fourth one. Here the first term is 1 by 4. So T1 is our A, and which is equals to 1 by 4. So this is our first answer. Now second one. The common difference D equals to T2 minus T1. So common difference D equals to, what is T2? T2 is 3 by 4 minus T1 is 1 by 4. So D equals to C. Base, if both the fraction having base same, then base remains the constant, which is 4, and the numerator will get subtract and add. So here we have 3 minus 1. So D equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 divide by 4. If you will simplify this, 2 1 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. Therefore d equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we will write the result for this also. So what will be the result? The A equals to 1 by 4 and a common difference which is d equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Now students, here we have completed our practice set 3.1. So by next lecture we will understand about the operations or number of terms or the sum of number of terms. We will calculate in the next part of the video. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.